Welcome all of you, BSc 3rd semester 6 Inorganic Chemistry, topic Inorganic Reaction Mechanism. Today we will see the SN1 and SN2 reactions for inert and labile complexes. SN1 and SN2 reaction for inert and labile complexes. According to VBT and form of experimental observations, it is clear that D0, D1, D2 and D10 cases of octahedral complexes are labile. For these labile complexes, SN2 mechanism is assumed by VBT as there is possibility of formation of 7 coordinated intermediate. It may be because incoming ligand easily form bond with vacant d orbital. According to VBT and crystal theory, inner orbital complexes of D3, D4, D5 and D6 cases of octahedral complexes are inert. It is well observed experimentally that these inert complexes are in favor of SN1 mechanism. It may be because of filled inner d orbitals either singly or doubly. Much more work is carried out on the inner orbital complexes D2sp3. Ligands are nucleophiles. Ligands are nucleophiles, that is nucleus loving. Ligand substitution reactions come under nucleophilic substitution reactions. They are classified as number 1 unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reactions, that is SN1, and bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reactions, that is SN2. Let me see SN1, that is unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. It is also called as dissociative mechanism. The first step in this mechanism is dissociation of metal complex, that is MLN-X gives MLN plus X, that is this step is slow. Further, vacant site created by leaving group X is filled by incoming ligand group Y. So, this MLN, that is MLN plus Y, so reaction should be fast and forms MLNY. Here, only one species of MLN-X has taken part in the slow elementary step, that is rate determining step in the formation of MLN. Activated MLN further reacts fastly with incoming Y to form MLNY. The activation energy of for the first step is higher than that of second. Rate of the overall reaction mainly depends on MLN and not on Y. Reaction is first order reaction. Coordination number of metal is decreased by 1. Rate of the reaction is given by the equation that I is greater than MLN. Therefore, R is equal to K1 into bracket MLN, where R is equal to rate, K1 is equal to rate constant. So, mechanism like this. Here, M, that is L, X. Here, first step is slow that is removal of X. So structure is TBP. Then again addition of Y. So reaction rate is fast and forms this type of ligand. And here total structure is square pyramid. First, by breaking bond, the intermediate either square pyramid or trigonal bipyramid species is formed slowly. This species reacts fastly with incoming Y to form the final product ML5Y. In this mechanism, substitution by the bond breaking between metal and X. Therefore, it may be called dissociative mechanism, that is SN1. Now SN2, called as bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction, that is associative mechanism. The steps involved in this mechanism can be written as mlnx plus y. It gives mlnxy, that is slow type of the reaction, and this mlnxy must be fast, that is addition of y and mlny plus x. In this case, two species mlnx and y are involved in the formation of activated complex in first step. Second, in the second step, activated complex breaks into mlny and x. Third, in the first step, activated complex is formed by bond making with Y, that is association. Therefore, rate of reaction is proportional to mlnx and Y. Overall, the reaction is second order reaction as two species are involved in the rate determining step. Now, coordination number is increased by 1, bond making and associative. So, rate of reaction is greater than mlny x and y. Therefore, R is equal to K2 into mlnx and y, where K2 is rate constant. So, mechanism like this metal, and so addition of Y forms pentagonal bipyramidal, that is PBP, and this step is fast, also this step is fast, this step is slow, and forms octahedral wedge or PBP, that is pentagonal bipyramidal. In the above mechanism, intermediate YML5XY show either PBP, that is pentagonal bipyramidal, or OW, that is octahedral wedge geometry. In the formation of PBP, at least 4 spectator ligands must be moved to adjust incoming Y, and hence it may require more energy. But in octahedral wedge, that is OW, arrangement requires less energy as very less adjustment of spectator ligands is required. Thus, SN2 mechanism may proceed through an OW, that is octahedral wedge, rather than PBP intermediate, that is pentagonal bipyramidal intermediate. Thank you.